Hey, CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's Shopping Sunday, and the Dollar Tree blew me away with lots of new finds and a new $1 sale. Now, I even scored some bonus $1 or less crafting finds at another store we all love. But first, let's dive into the Dollar Tree first. Back to school is hitting the shelves, and I love this time of year because I love using back to school items for organization. Now, check this out. This is a cute little clear plastic dish here, or it's like a little tray. It's got little paper clips on it. I think that is so neat to put on top of a desk, to put all your accessories on. You could put all kinds of things in school supplies or even craft supplies. Now, they did have this one with a pencil and eraser, and they also had one that was shaped like a crayon. So yes, 3 different new styles. I've never seen these before at the Dollar Tree. These are $1.25 for these items. Another item that we all love every year is this glitter pencil box. Now, this does come back every year for $1.25, but check this out. Right next to it, they have this huge Crayola storage box. This is another pencil box. As you can see, it is twice the size of the glitter box. Definitely a great bargain, and it is still just $1.25. Now, you can get this in 4 colors. You could get the green color. You can also get this in yellow. You can get this in red, and you can also get this in a blue color. This is great for storing just about anything, and I really love the large size of this box with that same price point for $1.25. So make sure you grab these as well. Our favorite little zipper pouches that are shaped like crayons are back. If you missed them in years prior, they are back for $1.25. And these are another favorite, toting drinks in the car and snacks. I love these little handle trays with the 6 little pockets. And I love this set too that has multiple pieces in it, so you could use it for all kinds of things. You guys, don't just look at back to school for just school. You can use these organization type things all around the home, and I really love that about these items. Now look at these. They have these vertical organizers that you could use. You could use all kinds of little storage things. Now look at this. This is a new bin here. I see these on those wood racks all the time. Those are really nice as well. Now check these out. These are bigger than years prior. So not only do they have 3, they have 4 sections. These are much larger. Definitely picked a couple of these up for my craft space. So yes, you definitely want to check these out. And they are still just $1.25. They do have the multiple colors as well, so you could choose whichever ones that you want. And of course, they do have lots of pens coming out. This is just the beginning. I know there's a huge pen craze going on with the viral pens that I showed you last week, but I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what I am seeing this week as well, so you could see all the different pens that are heading your way. And they were still unpacking the boxes, so there are going to be lots to come. So make room in your craft space or your office space. More pens are on the way. I love these zippered pouches. I'm not even going to admit how many I have, but it is a lot because these are quality pouches. They come really thick and they have multiple zipper colors. Now, if you're in the office supply section, you're going to see the cheaper version of this, or cheaply made version of this. Don't get this one. This is this flimsy and thin. Make sure you get the ones I just showed you. You will not regret it for $1.25. And of course, they have all the fun pouches for the kiddos. Listen, these are the binder pouches. So that means they have the 3-hole grommet punch at the bottom, and these come in little animal prints. You can also get them in clear. Now, this one did have like glitter accents on it, which is really fun for the kiddos. And they have multiple colors of each one of these pouches. Now, they were just unpacking all of these when I walked in. There are going to be so many more to come. So over the next few videos, I'm going to try to feature all those fun organization and pouches. Now, I have to say, I am impressed by this mesh pouch because usually the mesh is real thin. This was really thick. I was feeling the texture. It's thick and the seams are finished on the inside. Way to go, Dollar Tree. I love the quality finishes of these. $1.25 for all of these little zippered pouches. Now, these are fun from years prior. These are those iridescent plastic pouches with that really chunky zipper on them. Those are kind of fun. They are still $1.25, and they do come in the multiple color iridescent finish. Now, next to it, they had more of those mesh pouches, this time a little different. I know these say school supplies, but I can see putting makeup brushes, paint brushes, different makeup pieces, some things that are wet that you don't want to put in an airtight zippered pouch. You guys, so many different uses for these little pouches. Don't skip this aisle. And of course, they did have a bunch of backpacks. They just started putting them all out. A lot of them licensed characters, and they are just $5. Now, over in the kitchenwares, I had to feature these because these are nice. This is a 3-piece SureFresh container and lid set. These are 3 separate containers that interlock together to keep them all together. Now, they show snacks on there, but you know what I'm thinking? Beads, diamond dots, all kinds of little different things for crafting. Yes, these are just $1.50 a piece. Now, they carry on that color combination over to these meal prep containers. These come in a 2-pack, you guys. You could get these in a 2-pack. So yes, they have them all the pretty colors, and they have a 3 divided tray. So you could get them all in all the colors to match that container set if you want to, or if you have multiple people in the house and you want to keep the colors matching whatever that person has. I love that. I love that they have the 4 colors for $1.50. Also for $1.50, they had these. So these are overnight oats jars. I never knew they had a jar just for overnight oats, but I'm sure you can use this for a bunch of different things. So make sure you look for these as well in those same colors. Now, last week I featured this sunflower dish collection that is still $1, but I did not see these. These are the glass sunflower tumblers that go along with that collection. You can get them in yellow or green with the little sunflowers all over them. Really, really cute. I love that these are glass, and these are an amazing find. These are also something new I found this week. Now, I did feature the Blue Burst collection. That's also $1. But yes, I did not see these glasses. So they have the juice glass and the tall drinking glass. These would go perfect with that dish collection. So look out for these as well. Another vessel tumbler has showed up, this time in mint green chrome. I've been finding at least one design every week for this. These are $1.25. I have been using these for the last few weeks. I love them, and that lid stays on really tight. 3 packs of scrub brushes. Yes, please. I love that they have a 3-pack of these in the cleaning section for $1.50, and they're different colors, so you can add them to whatever area, and you can assign that color to a different area of your home, whether it be the kitchen, the bathroom, or wherever. Also for $1.50, they have these. I've never seen this. So this is a dishwashing cream by BioX. I have actually never heard of a dishwashing cream. Now this one is in a lemon scent. Let me know if you have tried this in your home. And look what's returning, those little character sponges. These are the Disney sponges. They are returning and being restocked. I saw 3 different styles at my store, but I don't know if they're going to get any more, but these are the ones that I did see. Make sure you check these out. I believe these are $1.50 as well. Now over in the health and beauty, new hair and body mists are on the shelves. They had 3 different scents. Listen, I don't know what it is about the peach one, but it had a chokehold on me. I definitely grabbed that peach one. They also have this one in the strawberry for $1.25 by Global Beauty Care. And be on the lookout. New hand sanitizers have dropped, you guys. If you've been looking for the new hand sanitizers, they have the Palm Island Breeze and Dragon Fruit Bloom available. So make sure you look out for those for $1.25. Have you guys seen these Evo 6-pack whitening strips? They come in a 6-pack, which is great. $1.25 for these. Also, the V34 has come out with a new line as well. Never heard of this. So this first thing here is the whitening gel pen. I've never seen that. Let me give you guys a little close up here. Yes, they have this new line. Love the packaging, but you know what? It's all about how the product performs. I am really interested to find out. So this next item is the Smile Boosting Teeth Serum. I've never heard of a tooth serum before. So that is another product that's also $125. This one here is the 5-pack teeth whitening strips. If you're looking for that, if you want the whitening strips in a 5-pack by the V34 brand. And then this last thing is the teeth whitening powder. So yes, this is the 1 ounce package. All of these are just $1.25, and they just put these out on the shelf at my store. This Suave Rose Oil Infusion Shampoo. I don't think I've ever seen this before at Dollar Tree, but it just popped up on the shelf and I wanted to let you know. Now, over in the food section, they have these raw protein shakes. These are really nice name brand items, and they're $125 in the app. Also, this is nostalgic for me. Even though I saw the ones in name brand back in the day, this is the Dollar Tree brand of 3-pack of cereals, you guys, $1.50. And I've never seen Hungry Jack syrup before at Dollar Tree, but they do have that as well for $1.50. So make sure you look for that as well if you're looking for syrup. Now, speaking of food deals, the Dollar Tree is currently running a $1 sale, and this time it includes the theater box candies. They are all just $1, and this will run through July 23rd. It also includes the dishwashing detergent, the Ajax, and a couple of other brands. Just look for those tags. It also will include like the dishwashing pods in the different brands. All just $1, you guys. I was really surprised to see this sale kick in, and it'll run through July 23rd. So if you're looking for the store brands or even the name brands, they do have those on sale for just $1 at Dollar Tree. So make sure you grab those. Now, if you're looking for some other things, there are more things included in this $1 sale. Now, the energy drinks. My local Dollar Tree, obviously I have a lot of energy drink lovers in the area because they cleared the shelf, but it's different brands of energy drinks that'll run from run through 7/23, July 23rd. But I did go to another store and found the Bang energy drinks. Those are also $1. I managed to catch those on the shelf. Now, I also saw the NOS brand as well. This is $1 as well. So make sure you check multiple Dollar Trees if you want these $1 energy drinks. Jack Link's meat sticks and jerky. This is also on the $1 sale, and this will run through September 24th. So this one will run for a while. Now, they also have lots of different toothpastes on sale. There were so many tags and different brands. Just make sure you scan them in store or on the app to see if it's included in the sale. These will be $1, you guys. So make sure you check those out for this $1 sale. The batteries, the red label C's, D's, and A's go from $3 to $1.50, and the blue label button batteries here go from $1.50 to $1. So yes, you want to make sure you check those out good through August 27th. Now, the Energizer batteries, the 5 through 850 are now $3 to $5. So they are reducing those larger ones as well. So you could see my shelves were picked over. I live in a hurricane zone, so they're probably stocking up for hurricane season. So you want to make sure you get there early because these were clearing out pretty quick. Now, to put all your batteries in, I love using these types of boxes. I just found this one at Dollar Tree for $5. It does have 15 sections, but the sections can be rearranged, which I really love. You can change the sizes and remove the compartments for $5, and you can get clear or a green tinted box for just $5. I love the way of organizing batteries in boxes like these because it's easy to see what you have. Now, I don't know about you, but we still have a Big Lots at our store. Now, if you are in the Midwest, Southeast, and Mid-Atlantic, there are 219 stores open, but I stopped by randomly to see what they had, and they had a craft clearance sign in the window. I had to go in. So this is what I found. I found this folk art velvet flock kit. It comes with all the things you need to make the velvet flock, and it's only 50 cents for this item. I was so shocked on that price. Now you can get it in like that natural color. They did have it in pink for 50 cents and also in a blue color. If you have a Big Lots, check them out. Another craft item, paint pouring supplies. This is $1 for this multi-piece set. Now I'm looking at it, I'm thinking I can do something else with it, CraftDee, but these are $1 a piece for these paint pouring pieces, but you can actually repurpose them. I have some ideas in mind. If you want clock numbers, Plaid has some there at Big Lots. They are just 50 cents. Also, organization trays, they have those. 50 cents for these as well. I'm telling you, everything is either $1 or 50 cents in this craft clearance at Big Lots. Check out this silicone tray. This is a silicone mold. It's perfect for like your clay, your resin, and your plaster. You guys, $1 for this. It's much cheaper than you're going to get at a Michael's or a Hobby Lobby. So if you have a Big Lots, definitely swing by and check it out. Now, if you're looking for stencils, you definitely want to head there because they had a ton of different stencils. All their stencil sets and singles are all just 50 cents. No matter which one you choose, all of them were scanning at 50 cents. So they have multi-packs, and this one has 3 different stencils in it, marked for 50 cents. They also have these long single pieces as well. These are also 50 cents, but they did have multiple designs that you can choose from. I mean, 50 cents, you guys. I was like, yes. Now, I really wish I had come a little earlier. I heard that they were having this sale for at least 2 weeks now. So they said I missed out on some chalk paint and other things. Kind of bummed about that, but I am glad I did stop by. I don't go by Big Lots often because it is kind of out of my way, but I swung by just randomly and I'm so glad that I did. So at least I got to catch some of these awesome deals on sale. I mean, 50 cents for stencils. That is a great deal. Now, they also have these foam stamps as well. I love these. I think these are really nice. These are $1 for these foam block stamp sets. They did have a couple of them. So they have foam block stamps and stencils in the same package. And look at these. I love these with a little medallion on them for $1. So you get 4 of those foam stamps and you get stencils in the package for $1, and these are name brand. Look at these. I love this. This is like those furniture appliques, you guys. If you want to accent your drawer knobs or anything, or even use these for another type of craft, this is something you can get also for $1. And look at these large 16 packs of paint brushes, sponges, sponge brushes. You get your dabbers. You get all kinds of multiple sizes. $1. $1. I definitely bought multiples of these because I do go through paintbrushes quite often. Now, this was also an interesting find. So these are terrazzo flakes. I believe I'm saying that right. These are $1. And this flake set has like the ivory and the clay colors. And this one has the ivory, black, and browns. I'm sure I can come up with an idea for these. I definitely grabbed one of each for $1 for these. Now, I found another paint pour kit too. This one's a little larger and I saw the pieces of this. This is another one that you could probably repurpose into something. Again, the paint pouring piece, say that really fast. They are all just $1 on this clearance sale. And I did find more stencils on that bottom shelf. There were more hiding out there. They have this larger 2-pack of stencils. You can see the designs there. These are 50 cents. Yes, 50 cents. That is it. And then they have these 2 at the bottom, and then they had even more. So the one right next to it, this one here is also 50 cents, but look how large it is. And it comes with 3 sheets with all of these different pattern. So I love that it comes with multiple patterns on there, so you can choose whichever ones that you want, and you can get multiples so you don't have to keep washing them over and over again. Again, 50 cents for these. Now this was neat too. So this is Plaid Gallery glass leading sheets. Now these are great if you do any kind of like stained glass. You can cut to fit, whether you want to use like a Cricut or something like that. You could definitely do that. I believe that this scanned only for $1. So yes, everything was $1 or less on this clearance sale. Now, if you missed my last Dollar Tree video featuring even more awesome finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of this video or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I hope you all enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope you find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and the store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget it is free to subscribe and you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live or drop a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.